Hi you guys, so today I'll be working with All Love hair. This is a 20-inch pre-plucked, pre-bleach 613 T-part lace wig, and I'm just showing you guys how it came packaged. It's 20 inches, it's a brief description on the bag, and then here is the hair. Most times I do tone 613 hair, but in this case I was just going to be watercoloring it anyway, so they said it was bleached and plucked, but you can go in and do that yourself if this is not how you like your wig. So I'm just showing you guys it has 2 combs in the front, that's the T part right there, and then 1 comb in the back. So you want to flip it inside out and just spray the lace with Got to Be Glued and blow dry it. I did this about 2 times just to make sure the lace didn't change. So I'm just taking my dye. I can't recall the colors, I'm sorry, I threw away the bottles and I didn't even see which color this was, but it was just like a teal, and I just dipped the front part of the wig in, holding the ends because I want the ends to be like a different color. I'm trying to do like a mermaid type of effect, and you want to add more to get a more vibrant color, and just make sure that you stir it around because you don't want any particles in the water and then you have dark spots on your wig. So now I'm going in with the second hair dye, and I got some fresh water. It doesn't have to be boiling hot, I just got some hot water out the faucet, and I'm doing the same process to the ends of this hair. So some spots in the hair did not get bleached all the way. They were still like blonde or silverish colors. But I just went in with the brush and, painted what needed to be painted. And here is how it came out. I plucked a little bit. You can't pluck too much because it's a T part and your tracks will start to show like right there. You can't really pluck that much, but my wig is not perfect, but it came out good enough for me. I put a little bit of makeup on where the lace was and straighten my part out. And you want to push all your hair back and out of the way so you can get ready to cut your lace. I'm not a pro yet, so I had to look in the mirror to, finish cutting the lace because I did not want to mess up. And sometimes, you still mess up, but you gotta finesse it, make it look right. So now I'm just taking my wax stick and just pushing the hair out of the way even further. Most of the times I do this on my mannequin head and just hot comb it so all the hair can be, out of the way when I do install it. But I just decided to go ahead and do it on my head. But once you do the wax stick and have your hot comb, it sleeks your hair down so good. So I would definitely recommend not skipping this step. And now I'm taking my Got to Be Glued hairspray. Since I'm not going to be wearing this wig for that long, just probably like a day or two, and sticking that down, and you want to have the blow dryer, which you also to speed up the process. And now I'm just going in to cut the ends, and here is the finished result. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Her name is Tattoo Curls. Catch you on the next one, and peace.